Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I built up this entire crypto portfolio from zero to this, all from deving meme coins. Okay, I will be ungatekeeping the method and showing you guys exactly how it's done live on camera. Let's fucking get it. Now, I do not trade any meme coins, okay, when it comes to making money with this market. I only dev. And that's because every single time I buy into a coin, okay, it just goes to zero, like this coin right here, okay. For example, I would buy in here, 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 and here, and then the dev would just dump on my head. So that's exactly why I changed my strategy and I became the dev. I would highly recommend every single one of you guys to start deving than trading, okay, because in my opinion it's way more profitable and you risk absolutely nothing and there's a bunch of upside to catch, okay. Making coins costs literally $0, so we're just making coins over and over again and then waiting for people to buy in, and then we just cash out and we rinse and repeat that method, bro. I'm able to make around 100 to 5k every single day from launching a couple coins. You have to be consistent, that's the name of the game. And into this video, bro, without telling you anything, I'm going to show you step by step on how I do it, okay, with my strategy. So keep watching, bro. You do not want to miss this video. And by the way, bro, this entire video is purely for educational purposes only, so do not copy me, bro. It's all fake. Please do not copy me. Cap! Now, most people, when they want to make their first meme coin, they go on Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what Pump.Fun is. It's basically the biggest launchpad with the highest volume out there, okay? It has a lot of volume. A bunch of people are creating coins. But the strategy here is not to launch coins on Pump.Fun and wait for buyers. The strategy is to launch meme coins onto Raydium in the migrate section. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you guys are asking, how the fuck do I launch meme coins onto Raydium? Because on Pump.Fun, bro, you need a $55,000 market cap for it to migrate to Raydium. Well, that's why we use create meme.io, because every single coin that is launched on this launchpad goes to fucking Raydium. It will be shown to thousands of people. A bunch of people are going to convert into your coin if you get a good narrative, and that's exactly why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, to make a coin, you could either create one from scratch or copy a coin. I personally copy coins because I do not want to go on X and then look for a narrative and then, you know, turn it into a meme coin, name, symbol, and image. I just copy coins and I've built my entire portfolio from vamping coins. It's the same thing. It's the same exact thing as deving. Now, the reason why I copy coins is because all these coins, they all already have a good narrative. They're all getting a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun. So if you copy a coin from this list, you have a high chance of getting a bunch of buyers onto Raydium, right? And then obviously you could possibly surpass the coin you copied. I will do an example for you guys to show you how it's done and to show you the potential. Alright, now it's time to dev a coin and see how much we can make using this method right here. Now, first of all, okay, make sure your phantom white is connected just like this. Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, bro. I like to go for anything. Fuck it. I'm gonna copy the Agartha coin, right? It looks good. Click to copy to Raydium. Wait for Phantom White to pop up. Ignore the fucking warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. You will get this every single time. And it's normal, okay? Now, click on proceed, confirm, and understand right here. Then confirm. And then the coin should be copied. Well, it will be copied, okay, on chain. Most people like to call this vamping. It's the same thing. Click on create liquidity pool. Now this page, okay, is where we create our liquidity pool, and after that it will be in the migrate section right here. It will be immediately migrated. Okay, now the amount of Agartha right here is the amount for the public. Click on 90%. That will give 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under right here for the second step, this is the amount of money that the amount of Solana that you will buy in your own coin with, okay? Because since you are the dev, you have the opportunity to get supply before everyone else, and that's exactly how you are going to profit from your coin. The minimum is 0.32 SOL, so 0.32 SOL. You can put more if you want, it's up to you. And then click on create pool. And by the way, bro, you are not losing this money. You will get this back later once you dump the coin and cash out, so it will come back to you. It's not a big deal, bro. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Agartha coin is on live, and your PNL is going to show up right here. And if you want to check how much you're up in this coin, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, bang, we're up 146. It's not too shabby, right? It's been like 20 seconds, and you know, people are buying in, people are investing for the future early, so that's a good sign. Anyways, bro, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen real quick to see the chart better, then wait for it to load, and bang, as you guys can see, bro, even though the coin is going a bit down, do not worry about it, bro. More people are going to start seeing the coin and potentially buying in. Bang, bro, 110 bucks worth of buys in a matter of seconds. I told you guys it can switch up really fucking fast. Just give your coin some time for it to breathe and for it to go higher, okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin in the migrate section on Raydium, and then they're going to decide to buy in or not. And these are all organic people, okay? All random people. Okay, the same wallet is buying a lot, but it's not a big deal, okay? Just give it some time and it will shine. 1.31k market cap, 50 bucks. Okay, things are looking good, bro. I hope it goes even higher. Anyways, bro, I will give this coin like 5 minutes, and when I come back, we will cash out, so enjoy the show. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing 8k market cap. I'm gonna cash out right now since it just pumped a lot. So come back to create meme.io, and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving around 2,000 bucks. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, then just wait for your phantom money to pop up. And then obviously, bro, click on the confirm button, because here we are going to receive around 22 SOL directly in our wallet. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you do it from the one and only me, bro. And by the way, it was all for educational purposes only. And for the moment of truth, bang, 2,000 bucks exactly on the dot. Even though the market is really down and the volume is down, deving is still really lucrative. It's untapped. You guys have to try this, okay? And do not be discouraged if you do not get the same results as me, because it's all for educational purposes only. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to be consistent. You have to be launching a bunch of coins, at least 2, 3, and then see where you're going wrong or some shit, right? Just launch coins, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Good luck to everyone. Peace out.